Female pastor lost her life in a domestic dispute. Her brother has been taken into custody by the police. Hi again and welcome. This is ll3d TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to ll3d TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. ll3d TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is ll3d TV News Report. A 52-year-old woman said to be a pastor was attacked and stabbed to death at her home in St. Anne on Monday. Reports are that around 11:30 p.m., the female identified as Michelle Roach was at her premises in content section of the parish when she noticed that the lights to her outside of her house were turned off. The police said that the religious leader went to make some checks, and it was at this time that she was attacked and stabbed several times and her throat slashed. The injured woman was taken to hospital where she succumbed to her injuries. The police investigation continues. This has been ll3d TV News Report. Thanks for watching.